Now the composition of the same reason is not from matter and form, and from substance and being, although both are from power and act. Firstly, because matter is not the very substance of a thing, for it would follow that all forms are accidents, as the ancient naturalists thought, but matter is a part of substance. Secondly, because being itself is not the proper act of matter, but of the substance of the whole. For its act is to be of which we can say that it is. But being is not said of matter, but of the whole. Hence matter cannot be said to be what it is, but substance itself is what it is. Thirdly, because neither form is existence itself, but they have a second order, for form is compared to existence itself, as light is to shine, or whiteness to being white. Next, because existence itself is compared to the form itself as an act. For by this means, in compounds of matter and form is said to be the principle of being, because it is the complement of substance, the act of which is being itself. Just as air is the principle of light, because it makes it the proper subject of light. Hence, in composites of matter and form, neither matter nor form can be said to be the very thing that is, nor even to be the very thing. A form, however, can be said to be what it is, according as it is the principle of being. But the whole substance itself is what it is, and being itself is that by which a being is denominated substance. But in intellectual substances which are not composed of matter and form, as has been shown, but in them the form itself is the subsisting substance. The form is what it is, but being itself is the act and what it is. And for this reason there is only one combination of act and power in them, namely, that which is from substance and being, which is said by some to be from what is and being, or from what it is and where it is. But in substances composed of matter and form there is a twofold composition of act and power. The first indeed of the substance itself, which is composed of matter and form, but the second is from the substance itself already composed and being, which can also be said to be from what is and to be, or from what it is and where it is. Thus it is clear that the combination of act and power is more than the combination of form and matter. Wherefore matter and form divide the natural substance, but power and act divide the common being. And for this reason, whatever results in power and act as such are common to material and immaterial created substances, such as receiving and receiving, completing and perfecting. Whatever things are proper to matter and form as such as being generated and decaying and the like, these are proper to material substances, and in no way correspond to created immaterial substances.